Hi, in this video we're going to put together this cute little apple. It's got 10 little pieces that you're going to fold in half, and it's really simple to put together. Let me show you how I like to do it. I just like to glue them and make one big stack, so you can see how you're gluing one next to its neighbor. Just make sure that they're nice and lined up through the middle and on the edges, and then they're going to open up later into this really cute apple. So just continue stacking them one on top of the other as you're holding them while they dry. And this is what they're going to look like when we're all done. You can get the cutting files for this cute little project at shop.lorywhitlock.com in SVG format, and you can get the silhouette cutting file at the Silhouette Design Store. I gotta unclog my little glue bottle a little bit. These are actually kind of fun to make, and they'd be fun for kids to make as well. My bottle is just giving me fits. And you could add more layers or take away a few if you're trying to make them quickly, but this is how 10 layers looks. I think it's really cute. Once that's all dry, you can just let it open up and you get your cute little apple. Just make sure no extra layers got glued together. And then you just need to put a little glue here on this last. You can kind of open it up like a book here. And I like to tuck my little stem in there before I close it up. Just tuck that right in the middle. And then I like to slip my little leaf in at the end. Oops, I don't need that much glue, but oh well. Look how cute. We got this darling little apple. So now I'll just take my little leaf, put a little dot of glue there on the end, and tuck it right in there by the stem. How fun is that? So you can make them out of green or red or any other cute apple color, and they look really cute, tucked in a little basket. Something like that. We've got this little bushel basket that you can make to put them in, or they're just a cute little standalone piece. Be cute for a teacher or just decorating for fall. So I hope you have fun making these cute little apples, and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.